Hi everyone, this is task 5 for lab 7, georeferencing an aerial photo from Google Map. In step 1, insert a new map frame in your lab 7 project and name it task 7. For that, right click and go to the properties for the data frame and then go to the general tab and name it task 5 and click OK. In step 2, go to the map tab in the ribbon and click add data and then navigate to your lab 7 folder where you downloaded your data and then go to georeferencing folder and select uncc.jpg, then click OK. Select the image layer in the contents pane and then select the imagery tab and then click georeference. After that, click set SRS in the prepare group and then choose geographic coordinate system. Go to geographic coordinate system and then select old and then click WGS 1984 and then click OK. On the base map, zoom into the UNCC campus so that your screen looks like the one in the instruction. So go to map at first and then locate the UNCC campus area. So search for UNCC Charlotte. And once you are nearby the university location, then you can click the feed to display. Go to georeference tab at first and then feed to display. Now the image will appear in the center of the screen, although this might not align with the base map. Then in the ribbon under the raster layer, click appearance tab and then set the transparency to 70% so that you can see clearly under the image. Next, go back to the georeference tab and under transformation, adjust group, select projective and then select add control points, and you can start to add the control points by selecting a location on the image first, and then you need to match the corresponding location of the image to the location on the base map. If you are not able to visualize well in the second map, you can also change the base map to other base map in order to see clearly in the maps. So let me use another base map. For instance, I can use OpenStreetMap, and then we need to match the points in both the image and the map that we have. So let me start to select some points. Now let me try to georeference them in order to match the locations in the extreme four corners. First, let me choose one location. So I can choose College of Education, and I clicked on the point somewhere in the College of Education. Now I need to find the same location in the map. it's here. So that point and this point are the same locations, so you can click on this. Try to zoom in so that you will get more accurate results. Now these two locations are the same, so I have done it for one point. Now you need to do it for other points also. Let me find another point which represent the same point location. So I can choose Cameron Hall, for instance, and then you uncheck this JPG image and then find Cameron Hall in the another map also. It's here. So you zoom in and then click. Once you have found the same location in both the JPG image and the map, and then do it for other corners. Now let me do for another corner. So I can choose point over here around Ravi, and then let me try to find it in the OpenStreetMap. So it's here. Yeah, so I have marked the same location in the JPG and OpenStreetMap. Now you find another location that represents the same location in both the JPG image and map. So let me find another one. So I can choose around here, around Belki Gym, around Gym. So I can choose this point, and then I can choose the same location in the map. Yeah, so I have now 4 different points, and if you try to see, they are in almost the same location now, and their locations are now matching. So once you are satisfied with the points that you have created, then click save. Then click save as new. You can save it in your lab3 folder and save it to a GeoTIFF file. Leave all the defaults as it is. And then when you are done, click export. And then you can click close georeference to finish the georeferencing, and then remove the uncc.jpg from the contents pane. You can also uncheck it. When you are done, show the uncc.tif image at 60% transparency. So let us set the transparency to 60%. In order to set the transparency, you need to go to Appearance tab under the raster layer and then set the transparency to 60%. And now you can see clearly that the locations are matching for both the TIFF image as well as for the map. And you can take the screenshot for your task 5 and show the uncc.tif image. Add 60% transparency with base map in the background. And yeah, that's all. You take the screenshot of this and then place it in your Word document. Thank you. This is the end of Lab 7.